You're watching How Leap. Let's see reposts on Instagram. Instagram does not have a specific reposts tab. To see content someone has reposted to their own feed, you must visit their profile. Go to the profile of the person you're interested in. Scroll through their main feed grid. Any post that is not their original photo will typically have a small icon in the top right corner of the postee's thumbnail, often a repost symbol or the original poster's profile picture. Tap on the post to open it. The original creator's username will be displayed at the top. To see reposts in stories, you must watch their stories. If they've reposted someone's story to their own, it will appear in their stories ring with a shared by label. There is no single page that aggregates all reposts. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.